Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Hope you're enjoying your week and weekend. It's gonna be past due, but happy Veterans Day. Hug a vet, love a vet, appreciate all you do right here. I know it's Thursday and it would have been past due, but you know, what are you gonna do? So I had I'm not gonna show the addresses, but I had a nice surprise mail call I was not expecting. And it is a Spyderco, which is one I already opened it because I didn't realize what it was until I saw Spyderco and I got super excited. I'm like, oh, Spyderco! And I tore open it like a kid on Christmas morning, just rip tear. And then this is from my buddy. He sent me a nice envelope too, which I read after I looked at the knife and basically pawed all over it like a little kid. And it's from my bro, wow, I can't talk today. Actually, can I talk ever? Dadgum. From Singing Toad. I don't know if that's gonna show up. I might do a little clip of my other camera. I'm sure I did a shout out video for him, and I believe he's already on my sticker board. But yeah, he sent me a couple stickers. I love this Canon camera, but the focus on it sucks ass. So I hope there's not any table glare, but here's the... Come on, camera. It's a sticker. It's just... Zoom it. Wow, we're having technical difficulties today. And here I am ranting about the better zoom, and now you're failing me, camera. So, Singing Toad, of course, I'm going to link his channel down below, but a really cool guy with some really cool channel content. Highly recommend. And here's what he sent me. He sent me the paramilitary too. Now, I've had my eye on this knife. It's been on my wish list for a really long time. I love the camo. I love the darkened blade, because several of my knives are darkened blade. Like the... my constant daily carry, the Ontario Rat 1, so darkened blade. He also sent me a little piece of maple candy, which I'm planning on watching a video later, or actually a movie, and I'll munch on that while I'm watching a movie. And of course, I got did a video on these, but I got this Tac Force camo blade, also blackened. I opened up another package, so I kind of just had them out, but sorry, trying to close the knife. So it's one of those things where if I don't close the knife, I could reach over and grab the blade and cut my hand. So that's the knife. Man, she's pretty. I was not expecting this, so I do appreciate it, my brother. And yeah, that's such a cool knife. Spyderco are some of my favorite blades. Man, that's so sweet. I'll have to get a picture. So yeah, just a sweet knife. I already my buddy and I went out to breakfast this morning, so really good breakfast place, by the way. Buttered biscuit in Sumner, if you're ever out there. It's so good. I had to bring half of it home because it's so filling. It's just delicious. But I really do thank you for the knife, bro. Singing Toad. All the links will be down in the description. Man, I love this thing. I just love it first sight. Liner lock on the back. Now I usually carry this in a my 511 pocket, so I don't actually use the clips that often. But man, that was a fail. And what a sweet blade. Dude. Of course it's Spyderco, so I'm really like, yeah! So, along those lines of being thankful, Harshman Hills had sent me this pole fire start as well. He did a couple videos. I have not, because I've had some issues, but mainly health. Like my hips just have, it kind of feels like someone just fired a nail gun into my hip. So really quite painful. So we get 3 of these pole fire starts. I think there's a rope on one side and an actual pole part on the other. I like that they're individually wrapped too, so you can just take one and throw in an emergency kit. And I would probably double it by wrapping it also in a zip top bag, sealing it as best I could, maybe push as much air out, and then just shove it down in your backpack so if you need an emergency fire. And you actually have a container too that you can collect tinder in for your next fire, or if you're making char, you can use that kit bag for your char to carry it around in. So I do appreciate that. So Harshman Hills will be a link below. If you're not subbed to him, highly recommend his channel. He has some really cool content, does a lot of really cool stuff, and is a cool guy. So nothing bad to say about him. Him or Singing Toad, both awesome gentlemen. He sent me a note too, but I'm not going to read the note because, you know, it's addressed to me. But yeah, it's just nice things to say. And man, thankful Thursday, man. I gotta tell you, knives and fire, that's my wheelhouse, man. That's stuff I dig. So I'm very thankful to both of you for the gifts. And have a great day. Don't forget, below will be their descriptions, and I think that's it for now. I believe so. So have a great rest of your week. So today is Thursday, tomorrow it's Friday, which means weekend is approaching. So have a good one. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.